Now let's get to the part you're really here for, the sound quality and comparisons. How does the Shure SLXD1585 sound? You're hearing it in action right now. All of the audio in this episode up to this point was recorded with this microphone system. This is audio recorded with a budget wireless lavalier microphone system, the G-Mark EW100. Notice the difference in audio quality and clarity. Also of note, this model cannot be camera mounted, so you'll need a surface to rest it on, making the system a bit more cumbersome to set up and to work with. This is audio recorded with a Zoom F2 lavalier microphone system. Coming in at 149 or 224 for the Bluetooth version, the Zoom F2 features 32-bit float recording to an internal SD card and professional audio quality with no chance of clipping. You'll need to connect the body pack to your camera with a 3.5mm TRS cable or sync your audio to your footage in post-production. This is audio recorded with a Sanal MC24ES shotgun microphone and a Zoom F3 portable field recorder. In a studio setting, this mic can be boomed overhead, completely out of sight. The Zoom F3 can output audio to your camera and record 32-bit float audio to an SD card simultaneously. However, this audio capture method comes at the cost of an increase in setup time and space requirement. In many situations, sacrificing the conveniences of a lavalier microphone system may not be worth the trade-off or simply isn't viable at all. This is audio recorded with a Zoom H4n field recorder using its built-in microphones. This recorder can be boomed overhead or handheld. A tried and true workhorse of the industry, this is an older model that has been replaced by the Zoom H4 Essential, but you can still find these on Amazon as of the time of this recording. The Zoom H4n can record 24-bit audio to an internal SD card and output to your camera simultaneously. This model does not feature any wireless connectivity options, so this one will also require a 3.5mm TRS connection to your camera, or you'll need to sync the audio in post-production.